In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shorten using Bitly. So first, you can see I search on Google that if I go in any website, then you can see these Google links are big. So this is not good and professional link for share with anyone. So I want to shorten, right? So just going on Google, then you have here type Bitly, then click on enter. If you are mobile user, same method. If you have found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. So I'm going on Bitly. Then just you can see paste your link here. So I paste my targeted link. Then get your link for free. Just click here. Then you need to log in the first time. Once you have completed, you can see I found this. This is very short link. Then if I paste this link to my another browser, this one, then paste, then you can see this is a very short link. Then I click on enter. I'm going on this website. So this is method how you can shorten using Bitly. Thank you for watching.